who was a female philosopher, scientist in astronomy, and a mathematician. She gave lectures and invented things that would help people. She was eventually murdered, and we think mostly for being a woman and having ideas that were unpopular at the time. We used Symbaloo to research her, and if you click on this link, you'll find one biography of many that were available of Hypatia, and you'll find all of that information that we just discussed. So, we found in the research that none of her original works are left, so there are no primary sources for anything that Hypatia did in her lifetime. That makes it hard to know exactly what she thought and what she did. Everything that is available is a secondary source as a reference to her work. Clicking on this link, you'll find in the Science Classroom wiki spaces that Hypatia did contribute a lot to science, and here is listed some of her major contributions. Two of those are the astrolabe and the hydrometer. So we went ahead and researched both of those, to see what those were and how she contributed. So first, the astrolabe. It was a tool that was used to find the time and to navigate using the sky, but only on land. You couldn't use that very well on the sea. Many people went on to improve her inventions and used it for many centuries. So she definitely did contribute to science because it's something that was used for many, many years. Also, we researched the hydrometer, which was a tool to measure the gravity of liquids. And on this Wikipedia article, you can see pictures of what that looked like. And it was used, as we said, to measure the gravity of liquids. And interestingly, this is still being used today. Of course, many improvements have been made to it, but her invention is still being used today in science. It says also that it's being used to measure things in the soil, which we thought was interesting. So back to our Symbaloo. If you want to find out more about Hypatia, you can click on our links or use the Google to find more information. As you can see, Hypatia did contribute a lot to science, some of which is still being used today. Unfortunately, though, all of her original work has either been lost or destroyed, so the only sources available on Hypatia are secondary sources. Thank you for listening.